Good morning, this is Gene Thorpe and Little Red Rooster TV, and today we're here at the ranch. We're at the Little Red Rooster Ranch, and we're going to show you the little studio that we use to make the videos and all of that type of thing, show you the recording studio and kind of give you a little bit of a tour. Video Joe Knows is a fella that has a video channel that has things to help you around the house fix things. Got probably over 70,000 subscribers, and he recommended that we do a tour of the studio. So here we are, Little Red Rooster TV. Come on in, I'll show you around. And as you come in, what you see is kind of our sound stage, and this is where we have recorded some of the videos on YouTube with the voiceover band with Al and Skip and I, and we're soon to record now with Johnny Patton in the band. We've got 6 songs in the hopper. They'll be coming out because after this pandemic is over and we can get back into playing, we want to get out and start playing, so we're going to have some videos showing you the new band. So this is a live area. There's a little mixing board, and as you can see, we've got our official lava lamp here, so the studio is really alive with energy. And here's where I keep the guitars. This area right here is where we sing after we lay down the instrumental tracks. We'll go back and sing, and these are tube microphones, a large diaphragm tube microphones, a good variety of them. And what we use as a platform for recording is Pro Tools, and we have a HP workstation type of a computer and Pro Tools in here. And here's one of the songs we've been mixing. I'll just play a little tiny tab of it where you can hear John playing beautiful keyboards right here, John Patton. And so this one will be one of the ones that we'll have coming out. And then when I record myself or rehearse, this is kind of the rehearsal station that I use, and I've got a looper right here and some things so that if I were recording, I would be able to record and turn on the machine, turn off the machine. It's like a songwriting studio type of a scenario. And over here is where the guitar amplifiers are. I've done presentations from this area of the studio before, and we will stage it for that. And here's where the keyboard section is, where John usually is, and then the bass amplifier is here, and more guitars. So this is Little Red Rooster TV, studio and sound stage, and welcome. And this is Gene Thorpe and Little Red Rooster TV, signing out.